Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I need to grab my boxes sitting right here. Today I'm going to be just cranking out 2 videos. We're going to be doing the American Influencer Beauty Bundle and also the Chic Beauty Box. So if you're curious to see what's in these boxes this month, then just keep watching. Alright, first we're going to do the Chic Beauty Box. I'm not doing this in any particular order. I just got these in. And I'm not getting like any subscription boxes right here right now besides these this month. And sorry, I have my window open, so I hope it's not too loud. It's a little warm in here. We took the ACs out of the windows, so now it's time to have the windows cranked open so we can get the cool breeze coming in. I also do want to still apologize for my background at the moment. I am today and the next few days I am going to pop out. I have you should see the clutter on this side, how I'm getting my beauty room how I really want it. So there's going to be a beauty room tour coming in. I promise you, the beginning of November there's going to be a beauty room tour that you guys have been wanting up on my channel. So be sure you stay tuned for that. But anyway, I'm getting these boxes, and I am getting the BoxyCharm for this month because there's a few things in there that I was like really looking forward to that I hope that I get in my box. So we'll see if I get that or not. But anyway, Chic Beauty Box. Let's open this up. I'm pretty sure both of these ones are bi-monthly, and they're around like the $35 price range. So this is what this looks like. I did open this up already just to kind of see, you know, if I would like something, if I would like it or not. But this is the NARS Orgasm Liquid. Oh, comes with a pump. Cool. This is the liquid highlighter, and obviously in Orgasm. And it's this really pretty, like, pinky, bronzy type bronzer, which I do, not bronzer, highlighter, which I do have one similar to this, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or not. So I'm still kind of up in the air. I have to decide once I go through all my makeup and stuff like that. I'm going to really see if I want to keep it. This one is I'm pretty excited about. This is the NYX Cosmic Gel Liner. And obviously it's in the color, what color is this in? Supernatural. Ooh, I love Supernatural. I think the new season is coming out. The top is totally, the new and last season is coming out. Who on here is a Supernatural fan? I am a total Supernatural fan. Ooh. This looks interesting. It kind of looks dried out a little bit, but we'll see. I'll use this in a first impression video, but look how blue that is. It's going to look really pretty with my blue eyes. But who's a fan of Supernatural? I totally am. I love it. Do you like Sam or Dean? I am a Sam fan, even though Dean is pretty hot. Alright, next up is the Almay Goddess Gloss, which looks very pretty. I will swatch it on my hand. Definitely keeping this one. Some of you are like, why do you get a subscription box when you're not going to use... See, look how pretty that is. When you're not going to use everything. There's some things in here that you can sell and make your money back from the box, you know? Just like this. I am totally down for like a smoky eye and stuff like that, but with such a having pale skin, I do love smoky eyes, but I don't know. I wish I would have gotten this color, gotten this in a color that was like a little bit more like an everyday shade. But this is the Milk Vinyl Glossy Shadow in the shade Tunnel. So this one I'm going to be selling for sure, but it looks very interesting. I would say that I would want to keep it and stuff like that, but I know it's just not something that I would use frequently. This I'm excited about. It's the Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo, and I have very rarely used anything from Bare Minerals, and this is the powder. This is a matte side, and then this is a glow side. So I will use this in a first impression video for sure. Stay tuned, y'all, because I'm going to have a lot of first impression videos coming up very, very soon. So that box was pretty awesome. I'm going to wipe this gloss off my hand so I don't forget and then get it everywhere. But yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the Chic Beauty Box because they do have some really awesome stuff. So this is the American Influencer box, and this is curated specifically for one brand, usually small influencers. And this is Give Them Lala Beauty. So I have poured my heart into Give Me Lala Beauty, and I am beyond happy to share this bundle with you. I have hand-selected some of my favorite products for you all to try and feel the beauty that you each deserve. Please know from the bottom of my heart I appreciate all your support. Everything I work hard to create is because I love sharing my passion with all of you. Enjoy your bundle. And then it shows everything that comes in here. Comes with a mask, which, that's cute. It's kind of like a silky mask. I'm not going to open because I'm not going to wear that. I have to use like the surgical masks. Okay. Tons of lip products I can see, and then this right here, which I want to open this first because I want to see what this is. I'm not looking at the paper yet, but this is what this looks like. This is the Give Them Lala Beauty, the Pretty palette. Oh no. Let's look. Oh, okay. It's pretty. So it's just kind of like basic colors. A little boring in my opinion. Like, I don't know, if you're in, I like these colors, but I have so many of these colors in my collection. So this is definitely something that I will be most likely sticking in a upcoming giveaway that I'm doing on my Instagram. So stay tuned, guys. So that palette is $42. I don't know. Okay, yeah. It looks like the rest are lip products. So let's see. This is a lip quencher. And it's in the shade, it just says wet. Okay, so this is like a lip. This lightly tinted lip oil glides onto lips to deliver moisture and a juicy look. I'm excited to try that out. Let's see how it smells. Ooh. Okay, that smells really good. I would put some on right now, but I have a matte lip. So, yeah. I will use this in an upcoming video. Like I said, and let you guys know how I like it. I already have a feeling that I'm going to probably put one of these in my upcoming giveaway. This is the Lala Hydro Gloss in Trippin'. Hydro Gloss, huh? What does the Hydro Gloss do? This is, with one swipe, its high color payoff gloss delivers your lips with full coverage sign, non-sticky formula. Okay, my nose itches. Sorry. Let me open this to kind of see the color. It has a really light scent. This looks actually really pretty. Okay, I don't know. I gotta look back at that. Obviously, I didn't put it on. Let's see what's this one. This is a Hydro Matte. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a red, and it's in the shade I Love You. I will stick this one in the giveaway because I do have a lot of red lipsticks. And then this one over here, the last one in this box, is the Crush Cream Lipstick. Gosh, my nose itches, sorry. Yeah, this one, not a color that I would wear. It's more of a mauve kind of brown, but I will add that into the giveaway as well. So, got a few cool, awesome things for my Instagram giveaway coming up. This month, I'm not too big of a fan of this. I think so far the Pure Release products that we got was the best box that we got. I know we got like the Manica Kadar one. Not the biggest fan of those products. You can find those at like Ross, you know. But yeah, I think the Chic Beauty Box for sure wins this month. Not that this was like a video to really compare them, but I guess I am comparing them. I kind of like that one a little bit better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did you get any of these boxes? Definitely let me know down below. Let me know what you got in your Chic Beauty Box. I'm very curious because I know you can you can curate them. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but you can, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, I have tons of videos that I need to film today, so I need to get on and doing that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button, go up to the all button, because I know there's like 3 different options. Make sure you hit all so you can see all of my videos. If you want to have some extra, well, if you want to get kind of like a little ahead of the game and get a little, I was going to say entered for my Instagram giveaway. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely do so. My link is down below. It's the makeup one, which is KM James. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.